Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you one really great function in Audacity. I'm talking about sound activated recording. You will see how to enable this function and how it works. So first we need to go to Edit tab on the left upper corner, and after that we need to open Preferences or use shortcut Ctrl P. Now on default Preferences will be opened in Audio Settings tab. But we are interested in to go to recording bookmarks, so I click here, and now we can find here sound activated recording option. If you want to enable this option, you need to check this one box, and after that you need to set here correct threshold. I will set here -30, because if sound will be below this level, your audio will not be recorded, but if it will be above this level, audio will be successfully recorded. So you can set here your own level based on tests, and if you will set it, you need to click OK button to save change. And now let's check how it works. If you press recording button, you can see that audio is recorded only when you're talking. If you are not talking, audio is not being recorded. So I recommend you to test this option because it may be really helpful in your projects. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it was helpful for you.